Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to make this purse which you can attach to your leather tote bag. So let's get right into the video. The measurement is 10 inches by 8 inches. You can make it bigger if you want. From the top part, measure 1 inch on both sides. Then from the top, measure ½ inch downward, then connect the lines. Repeat the same process for the bottom part of the leather. Repeat the exact same process for the down part of the leather. Now we're going to prepare the zip which we're going to attach to the top part. So fold the zipper this way. So this is what I did. Fold the front part of the zipper downward. Then the excess zipper close behind, you also fold it behind it, then you use gum to hold it down. So this is what you get after you're done doing that. Let's now head over to the sewing machine to sew them together. Repeat the same process for the other side of the leather. So when attaching the zip, make sure the head of the zip is facing the same direction. Don't do it the opposite way. Make sure they are facing the same direction. Next, I'm fixing the zipper head so that I can now close up the sides. Open the zip halfway, then turn it to the back. I'm done sewing both sides, so the next step is to open the zipper, then turn it inside out. Now I'm going to top stitch. So this is the final look after top stitching. This is what the inside looks like. Then let me show you how to attach it to your leather tote bag. So get a ring holder, open it up, then pass the zip head. There is this opening in the zip head, so pass it through the key holder. Then open the key holder again and put this hook, so you can hook it to the provision you've made on the tote bag. You can hook it there, and this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.